everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Shari of Cagayan de Oro City and we are here sa SUKI DESU. It's called SUKI DESU. SUKI DESU pag binasa natin, but it's SUKI DESU. So this is a modern Japanese street dining experience here in Cagayan de Oro City. So let's see kung ano ang meron dito. So guys, let's eat na, and this is my, I think, hindi ko na mabilang kung pa ilang beses ko na to dito, but itong kinuha ko, ito yung mga favorite food ko dito, and sino yun? Busy kayo siya. Guys, ito yung aking favorite, it's called California Maki. Ayan, kung di nyo napanood yung vlog ko, naandun to. Ayan. So let's eat. Sobrang kasarap. Ito guys, I try nyo, and sobrang affordable dito. And this is authentic Japanese cuisine. So, let's try this one. Mao ni ilang best seller nga ramen. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung name niya. And ito yung soup. So this is how they really serve nowadays yung ramen. So they don't use yung mga reusable na mga utensils po, like plate, spoon, and fork, para mas malinis po siya. So ito talaga yung itsura niya, hindi yung last time na yung bowl na black na nilalagyan nila. So let's try it. So guys, try natin yung ramen nila. I'm gonna use spoon kasi mahirap pag chopstick. Ito muna, yung soup muna yung uunahin natin, ha. Sobrang creamy guys, sobrang sarap. Sarap. Parang ang daming egg. Tapos hindi siya maanap. So, kailangan ko yata i-mix. Wait. So, if you can see, sobrang affordable guys. Promise, masarap talaga siya. Nasabi ko na rin to dun sa nakaraang vlog. So, if you haven't watched that po, panoorin nyo na lang po yun para makita nyo yung isang experience ko naman here. And, ayan. So, meron silang mga ramen dito guys. And yung favorite ko is yung Maki, yung California Maki. And then, yung cheese tempura nila. Saan ba dito yun? Basta guys, cheese tempura. Try nyo pag napunta po kayo dito. Ayan, sobrang sarap. So guys, sumana may kaon. So muna yung mong aftermath. See guys, simut sarap. Wala na yung nabilin. Guys, the dine-in will be open on July 12, 2020. That will be on Sunday, and magsa-start po sila ng 10 AM hanggang 6 PM. So visit po kayo dito for the affordable yet super sarap na modern Japanese street dining experience. So, ayan, social distancing. Say hi to the vlog!
Hello!